Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to list item on eBay. First, go to their official website and select the sell icon onto the top right and select here on list an item. Now here we can search for the product that we want to sell. Like for example, we're going to type here on laptop, enter the search code, and we can find a specific product here. Now we can click on a specific product. We can select the condition of the item, like for example, a used one, and select on continue to listing. And now from here, we can add a specific photo or video of the products that we are selling, including the title, the item category, specifics like brand, screen size, processor if you are posting a specific laptop, and an additional option like UPC, model, operating systems, and so on. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, we can see here also the condition of the product. Since we choose on to the use, you can enter a specific description of the condition of the used product. You can also add the main description of your product, and you can add the pricing, wherein you can add a auction, buy it now, or classified ad, auction duration, bid, and you can also check this check mark of required immediate payment when buyer uses buy it now and enter the specific amount. You can also add a schedule your listing, add auto list, and a shipping method, wherein onto the shipping method, you can choose either a freight, local pickup only which sell to buyers near you, or oversized items, something like that. And add the package dimensions and weights. And also you can choose a domestic shipping, like you can choose a calculated and a flat rate. Now when it comes on to the rate table, you can choose one here if you add a specific flat rate here. You can see here the preferences, you can modify this also, and you can also promote your listings directly onto the eBay and add it onto the charity and then click on list it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.